Sebastian and play. You can't make remixes of it, and you can't cheat in this one. You can just like make, actually you can kind of cheat, but it's not too big of cheats, like skipping whole parts. You can just skip like 1 or 2. And the thing is, never miss a jump. You have to know you're jumping, and if you go on the cones properly, at the very tip, where the spinning is in the middle, you can make it so that you're not even moving. And then you get off here, and if you're like, what's there's nothing, you just wait for it to lower down, and then you wait for it to come here. I suggest you keep looking straight, because then you may have to go down and up again. Never go just like here, because you're going to hit that pole. You should always go to the side, so you can do that. And then you go all the way down this platform, down onto here, and then here you jump. You jump on there. Oh, I'm so close. I do not want to mess up. Oh. Let's go. Yes! I did it. I did it. Finally. Okay, I missed that. I'm so happy. If I miss one of these jumps, I'll like get super mad. And then the second part isn't really anything.